Follow me on Twitter at Charlene Sunny.
Hey guys, welcome back to Sunny Side Up Food Reviews, and for this episode I'm reviewing, I believe, a new energy drink that's out. This is an organic energy drink called Amp Energy. So this is definitely more simple in the ingredients. It's just caffeine and that's all. So I thought there'd be more like B12s and all that stuff, but nope, just caffeine. And it just really markets the fact that it is organic and that it has natural flavors. So that's good, because that's important to some people that just take in natural stuff all the time. So, and it's organic cane sugar, so this is pretty cool. This is a pineapple coconut flavor. It says it's a refreshing island blend, so it seems like it'll have a lot of yummy flavors, pineapple, coconut type of vibe. So I think I'll like this one. Okay, let's see if it's any good. Oh. Okay, so wow. So this has 44 grams of sugar. That's a lot. Like, even though it's 12 ounces that you get in here, and it's 44 grams of sugar. Even though it is organic cane sugar, that's a lot of sugar. And it's crazy because it has a lot of sugar, but the taste is very like you can tell there's caffeine in here. Other energy drinks I've tried are kind of, you know, mask that flavor. Like, it just tastes like flavored soda. But this has a very distinct flavor. Of course, because it's organic, they have to keep it as natural as possible. So those flavors are gonna come out more, unfortunately. So at first it does taste like a nice tropical pineapple coconut vibe, but then it quickly goes into that bitter, weird caffeine flavor. And I've tried caffeine powder before added into a smoothie, and it has this weird bitter, tart, not good tasting vibe going on, and that's what this has as an aftertaste after the initial pineapple coconut flavor. I can't say that I would recommend this, or I can't say that I would buy it again. But if you really just want something organic and you're okay with drinking something that's not that good, then I would recommend it, because, you know, it's only 12 ounces, so you could drink this pretty quickly just to get the caffeine. So I'm going to give this like a 1 out of 5. Okay, so this is Tropical Burst flavor. Well, from the picture, this will probably be more along the lines of like a citrus, mango vibe. Oh, it says orange, mango, and passion fruit. And this was under $2, all these drinks. I believe it was, or right at $2, like $2 and change. It's pretty decent price for these. And this has 44 grams of sugar as well. It's definitely high in the sugar. So this is gonna be the same as the last one. It has good flavor initially, and then it goes right into the bad flavor from the caffeine. So, but I will say the initial flavor is really good. It's got a really good mango passion fruit vibe, but I can't, I cannot, like, I can't recommend this to you guys to buy based on flavor. I only recommend it based on caffeine. I would have to give this like a 1 out of 5. Okay. I don't have high hopes for this flavor. It's citrus, and I'm just assuming it's gonna have the same vibe as the other two. It's gonna have a lemon lime flavor to start and then quickly go into caffeine. But let's see if I am wrong. So I would say this is a bit more drinkable than the other two. I think because maybe that lemon lime sort of cuts through the weird flavor of the caffeine. Because with the other two, it's a little bit too drastic of a change. It goes to like a yummy tropical flavor into like a gross, like tart caffeine powder vibe. But with this, it's more of a smoother transition. So it flows a lot better. So far, I'm surprised I like this one the best so far, because I typically would like the other two if it didn't have that aftertaste, you know. But so far I like this one the best. I could see myself drinking this whole one through because yeah, it definitely has a better flow, and it basically just tastes like Sprite. So yeah, this is not too bad. I'd give this a 4.5 out of 5. And if you really want to try this, I would recommend starting with this lemon lime flavor if it's available. Now this last one is grape. I'm definitely not a fan in general of grape flavored stuff. Like, I could drink it easy, but I don't prefer it over other flavors. But I will definitely judge this in terms of, you know, just making sure that it tastes like grape. So that way you guys would know if you would like it or not, for all the people that like grape. Okay, so this definitely has a typical artificial grape flavor. I would say this is more along the lines of like cough medicine vibe, like grape cough medicine vibe. I definitely wouldn't buy this again. As far as people that do really like grape flavored stuff in general, I don't know that I'd say I'd recommend this still, because it starts off with that initial grape flavor and it doesn't transition as well into that caffeine flavor with this. So I can't say that I would recommend this one. So yeah, I would give this one more along the lines of like a -3 out of 5. Okay, so I tried the 4 flavors, and out of the 4 flavors, definitely recommend the citrus to start. If you guys are interested in trying this, I wouldn't recommend the other flavors. And so yeah, and I would, to recommend this whole line, I would recommend it more for just an organic way to get caffeine in, as opposed to for flavor and all that other stuff that's important but is missing from this drink. But it's definitely drinkable. It's only 12 ounces, so you could chug this pretty fast. The only thing though is the sugar. I would say it's 44 grams. This one actually that I like the most has 49 grams, so that's like ridiculous. And 200 calories for this can. So it's, and 49 grams of carbs. So that might be why I like it so much. It's got a lot of sugar and, you know, stuff in it. So yeah, I didn't even notice on all these cans. So it's 44 grams of carbs per can, along with 44 grams of sugar. And typically carbs and sugar kind of work the same way. So if you're on a low sugar diet, you also want to go with low carb, because the carbs convert into sugar basically. So you're looking at like 80 something grams of sugar per can. So that's crazy. And to taste the way it does, you know, it's disappointing. Overall, I would have to give this line like a 1 out of 5. I wouldn't recommend it. So yeah. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this Amp Energy organic drink food review. And please subscribe and hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button to see every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys soon.